Slatty, what's going? Hey man, we got that boy Flight, Bird of Larry, 4 in it, bit. Make sure you subscribe, right? Nah, I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's just get into it.
She like the way I pull up in the yours. Yeah, they call me Flight, I'm on a jet with a bird. Move so fast, fuck around and hit a curve. All I do is ball with the green light bird. Working purse, she just wanna surf and turf. I cut her credit card off, now she on life alert. Fuck around and cut a check if I like the word. How the fuck she got a Prada purse if her lights don't work? That shit gotta hurt. Nigga, when I'm rapping, better listen, pay attention. Nigga, I'm
This shit ass, booty, butt, cheeks. Shit, dookie, diarrhea, hot trash can water.
a legend, you gon' motherfucking miss it. Nigga don't act up like he's something if you flexin'. $1,000,000 nigga, I can teach you as a lesson. Nigga, quit the hating cause your bitch think I'm a blessing. Nigga, who the best? Raise your hand, answer question. Got this bitch stressing, got her on me right now. Niggas always talking, now I don't hear it, nigga, pipe down. Hold it, nigga, cause I've been really rocking Nike. Bitch suck the dick, got her drinking like a icy. Nigga with a side piece, doing wifey grimy.
Bro, this shit just straight up horrible. Like, shit is garbage. Alright, where's something I done heard this shit? Like, ass, booty, butt, cheeks.
I'm me is not a match, I'm a Leo, use a quad. Now, if you really think I'm dissing, yes I am. They gon' play this back a couple times until the end. Running on this beat like I'm playing for the Rams. Oh, hot damn, this my motherfucking jam. See, got the shoes with the off-white tee. I don't want the bitch unless she rich like me. But when she suck dick, feel like it's no tea. Just because you know my name doesn't mean you know me. She like the way I pull up in the yours. Yeah, they call me.
I can't do it. I ain't gonna lie. This shit ass. Trash can water. Horrible. This shit is atrocious.
Flight, I'm on a jet with a bird. Move so fast, fuck around and hit a curve. All I do is ball with the green light bird.
That shit was ass. Ass, booty, butt, cheeks. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You did.